Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the basics bulletproof. Make sure your iPhone is updated and your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery or is charging. This prevents interruptions. Once done, enable Bluetooth and connect to a stable Wi-Fi, keeping devices side by side so the phone can proxy the download. If install fails due to space, clear apps or media to free about 3 GB. This avoids stalled preparation. Then force quit the Watch app and restart both devices before moving on. This often clears temporary syncing errors. Now you execute the heavier fixes. Open Watch app and go to General, then Software Update. Keep the app open and screen awake so the transfer doesn't suspend. If progress never moves, unpair the watch. This creates a fresh backup and profile. Then repair and try the update again because corrupted profiles are a common culprit. Also check for beta profiles, VPN, or custom DNS. Disable those. If connectivity problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone to clear stale Wi-Fi or Bluetooth caches. Finish by placing the watch on its charger and starting the install from the Watch app, keeping the iPhone close until completion. This prevents dropouts during the final transfer. Once done, confirm the Watch OS version in Settings and reapply any removed watch faces or apps because some settings may reset. If the update repeatedly fails, try using Apple Configurator on a Mac to revive the device, or contact Apple support. This is the single best troubleshooting tip when software fixes and repairing don't resolve a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.